Hola amigos, welcome to Enfresp Languages. If you've been following our Spanish number journey, congrats, you're crushing it. We've counted from 0 to 29 and now we're going big. Today we'll learn how to count from 30 all the way to 99 in Spanish. You'll get pronunciation, spelling, and easy tips to remember each number. Let's dive in. Vamos! Let's start with 30, which is
treinta,
spelled treinta. It is pronounced treinta. Let's hear 30 again.
treinta,
Now, here's the cool part. To say 31, 32, etc., just add e, spelt y, plus the next number. E means and in Spanish, so it sounds like this.
31, 32,
All the way to 39. You'll notice that the A at the end of treinta has become silent and the word E is making an I sound. 31, 32. This happens to all the 10s, the 40s, 50s, 60s, etc. So listen out for it and apply it. See if you can say these numbers in Spanish. 35,
35,
38,
38,
39.
39,
You've got it. Now let's hit the 40s. 40 is
cuarenta,
spelled Cuarenta and pronounced cuarenta. Note that when the letter C is followed by A, O, or U in Spanish, it makes a hard k sound. Cuarenta. Let's hear 40 again.
cuarenta,
And then 41 is
41,
42 is
42,
and so on. See if you can say these numbers in Spanish. 41,
41,
46,
46,
49.
49,
Well done, you're getting the hang of it. 50 in Spanish is
cincuenta,
spelled Cincuenta and pronounced cincuenta. Note that when the letter C is followed by A, O, or U in Spanish, it makes a hard k sound, but when C is followed by E or I, it makes a soft th sound. So in the word cincuenta, we start with the soft th sound and then follow with the hard k sound. Cincuenta. Let's hear it again.
50,
The following numbers copy the same sequence as before.
51, 52,
You got it. See if you can say these numbers in Spanish. 53,
53,
57,
57,
59,
59,
60 in Spanish is
60,
spelled Sesenta and pronounced sesenta. sesenta. Let's hear 60 again.
sesenta,
Then we just build.
61, 65, 69,
See if you can say these numbers in Spanish. 62,
62,
66,
66,
68.
68,
70 in Spanish is
70,
spelled Setenta and pronounced setenta. Let's hear 70 again.
70,
The same pattern follows.
71, 77, 79,
See if you can say these numbers in Spanish. 74,
74,
76.
76,
Okay, let's get to 80, which is
80,
spelled Ochenta and pronounced ochenta. Let's hear 80 again.
80,
Then
81, 88, 89,
and see if you can say these numbers in Spanish. 82,
82,
87.
87,
And then the 90s. 90 in Spanish is
90,
spelled noventa and pronounced noventa. Note the letter V in Spanish is much softer than in English and it sounds more like B. Noventa. Let's hear 90 again.
90,
Then, just like before, we have
91, 96, 99,
see if you can say 93,
93,
98,
98,
99.
99,
The last number before 100. Excelente. You can now count from 30 to 99 in Spanish. That's huge. Give yourself a round of applause. On the screen, you can see all the tens from 30 to 90, how they are spelled and how they are pronounced. Next stop, 100 and beyond, and then we're unstoppable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a Spanish lesson. Nos vemos pronto!